Adam Meggs for How to Be a Freelance Writer. If you want to know how to be a freelance writer, then get How to Be a Freelance Writer by a real-life freelance writer. How to Be a Freelance Writer is a simple-to-use, easy-to-understand guide to becoming a freelance writer. It will take you through each step of the process, from making sure you have all the necessary materials in order to begin, to setting up a portfolio and applying to job positions, all the way through furthering your career once it has been established. This guide will go over everything that you need to know in order to become a freelance writer. As an extra bonus, this guide also includes a section of tips and a quick reference that lays out all of the steps involved in your freelance writing journey, both of which can be found at the end of the book. There is a section dedicated to the debunking of freelance writing related myths, as well as a section dedicated solely to the understanding of business jargon that one will encounter in the writing business, whether freelance or not. Inside this book, you should be able to find all of the information and materials you need in order to create a successful career in freelance writing for yourself. With this helpful aid, there will be nothing stopping you from reaching all of your goals. Good luck!